You know what's more powerful than money? An audience. Rolling.
Let me break some numbers down for you. Odds of owning your home, 4 out of 10. Odds of earning a 6-figure salary, 2 out of 10. But the success rate of armed robberies is 9 out of 10. With the rest of life's odds stacked against you, why not take your chances?
Let's make some content.
Go, go, go!
Oh.
Golden Girls, all right.
Welcome to our channel, How to Rob a Bank.
15 banks, 900 million views. We have a hacker under house arrest. We should use her. Your program finds people that don't want to be found.
Yeah, created a dangerous weapon.
If you help us find these guys, we would drop all your charges.
Shut up. There's too much footage here for them not to have made a mistake.
Whoa, yo boss! Oh my God, congratulations.
I like them. They have like a whole Robin Hood thing going on.
Here, for the college fund.
Why are they taking these risks?
Maybe it's not about the money.
What about bank robberies not about the money?
I don't worry about the ambitions of thieves.
Didn't your bank just screw over a lot of people?
You finish what we started.
Check this out. There's a pattern.
This is all a distraction. There's something bigger going on.
Are we in a car chase?
No, you just need to get there fast.
Get out of the car!
Is this How to Rob a Bank?
Yeah,
Yo, I love your show!
thanks for watching.